friends, we are so happy to welcome you to our channel, and today we will talk more about the Instagram app and how to restrict someone from your Insta account. Let's go to the watching if this topic is interesting for you. And to start, let's open our app. As you can check, we are on our profile page, and right now we need to open our settings, clicking on this 3-line shortcut at the top. We need to choose the first option and go to the privacy. Swipe down the appeared list, and as you can check, we have the special option restricted accounts. Let's pick on it one time. And what does it mean that we will restrict someone? The first point is that this restricted user won't be able to send some messages for you. So all of these messages will be appeared on the additional list on your direct, but it won't be able on your main list. It won't be added to your main list. Later, this restricted account won't be able to add some comments for your post, for your reels, etc. So this is a good way to limit contacts with this selected user if you don't want to block him. Also, this user won't receive any notification and alerts that you restricted him. So this is a very cool option, definitely. And right now I will show you how to add the needful account to restricted. I just need to pick on the search bar at the top, and here using the keyboard we need to set the name of the account we want to restrict. I will add my second additional account here, and to restrict it, let's tap on the K opposite. Oh, sorry. On the K. Well done. And after, we will have this added user on our restricted accounts list, which is very convenient and easy. Later, so in this way, after tapping on the arrow, I just saved changes, and right now this account is definitely restricted. But if I want to disable it from the whole restricted accounts list, I just need to bring back my settings and tap on the unrestrict option opposite him. Let's do it. In this way, it's really very simple. In this way you can manage this list and add or delete the selected account smoothly. So guys, I hope that this tutorial was interesting and useful. Don't forget about likes, and if you want to block someone, we also have our tutorial about this on the channel. So let's go to the watching too, and goodbye!